Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly transfer TikTok Paylater to Gcash. So first up, what you need to do is to head to your TikTok app on your device and just make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, you're going to select your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on the burger menu on the top right corner. Now in here, make sure to select balance, and if you have any balance or anything that came from Paylater on TikTok, then it should appear on your account's balance. Now in here, all you have to do is tap on this general area. And again, if you have a balance on TikTok, then you should be able to withdraw it right here. So as you can see, since I don't have any, then I won't be able to withdraw it. But if you do, then this withdraw button will be available, and Gcash will be one of the main options to choose when trying to transfer your funds to your Gcash. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.